Solve linear systems graphically. Question 10. Solve the given linear system graphically. Y equals to 2 and x equals to minus y. Now, y equals to 2, as you know, should be a horizontal line with y-intercept of 2, right? And like this is the y-intercept of 2. And all along the line, the y value remains 2, and that is why this is a horizontal line. So we can sketch y equals to 2 as this horizontal line with y-intercept of 2. So by now you know all the techniques of sketching or graphing lines. Now linear system involves two or more lines. So graphically also we can find the solution, and the solution is the point of intersection. So we already have one line here now, which is y equals to 2. Now let's draw the second line. The second line is x equals to minus y. So sometimes what you can do is, if you're not very clear about the points, you can make a table of values. So for the second line, let us make a table of values, and let's say x equals to minus y. So, or you can also write this as y equals to minus x. Either way, right? So it's better to write in terms of y, correct? So let's change this equation and let's write it as y equals to minus x. Now normally x is taken as independent variable. Anything which comes along the x-axis is taken as independent variable, and y value depends on x. And therefore it's a good idea to write this equation in this form. Okay. Now let's have some x values and accordingly plot some y values for those values of x. So you can select x values. 0 is a good value to start with, right? So if I have x as 0, then what should be y? Y is minus of x. Minus of 0 is still 0, right? How about 1? 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. And if I take minus 1 as x, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So these are our points which will represent the line y equals to minus x or x equals to minus y. So let's draw these points on the graph. 0, 0 is center, origin. Minus 1, 1. So that is minus 1 and 1. That's the point. 1 minus 1. X is 1, right? And minus 1. That's next point. 2 minus 2. 2 and minus 2. So the line which is dropping like this, going diagonally, is our line x equals to minus y. So if we sketch this line, then we will find that this line intersects our first line at a point, and that point is the solution, right? So the point here is common to both the lines, is the point, let's call this point P, and the coordinates of the point are minus 2, 2. So the coordinates are minus 2 and 2. So that forms the solution of the given linear system, correct? So the solution for this linear system is minus 2, 2, a point where both the lines intersect, correct? So our answer is minus 2, 2. So if you see, you can check this answer. If you write minus 2 for x, well, we wrote this equation as y equals to minus x. So if you write minus 2 for x, you get y as 2, correct? So that's the solution. And y is always 2 for the first line, correct? So that is the solution for this linear system. Thank you.